My view has always been that a university is not so much a place as it is a people. Those people are faculty and students and staff doing extraordinary work on an ordinary basis.
Westchester University's Golden Rams marching band has been chosen to play in the iconic Rose Parade.
The Golden Rams hosted their spring football scrimmage. During halftime, 3 individuals with special needs were given the opportunity to score a touchdown.
One, two, three,
You should be so proud of yourselves. My phone is blowing up of alumni just saying they're so proud of you.
Students at Westchester University collected money today to gather donations for the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia.
We are Philly proud tonight of Westchester University's football coach and the community he rallied to collect holiday gifts for young people in need.